So last Christmas I went to Mexico for the first time in 16 years. I had a great time exploring the city, visiting museums, and I even found a tissue culture lab. I got to spend time with my family for the holidays, feed my broken nose, and do some shopping. I got a new pair of boots, and of course I had to get a sombrero as well. Spend some time with my old friends and eat some good food. Of course, the topic of this video is about giant lemons in tissue culture, and these giant lemons are very special to me and my family. These lemons are from a tree growing in my mom's childhood home. The tree is still very healthy and producing gigantic lemons, as you can see, but we are very far away from home, and I just wanted to have something from home just here with me. So I took some of the seeds from the lemons, sterilized them using hydrogen peroxide method that I have shown in the past. 1 part 3% hydrogen peroxide, 9 parts water, 1 drop of surfactant. Soak the seeds for 48 to 72 hours and move them to test tubes with hormone-free media. After several weeks, here are the results. I have 7 lemon plants growing very nicely, and today is the day I get to culture them. Now my idea is not to propagate them in mass. They are just for me and my family. I just want to propagate enough plants to give back to my mom, my aunts, my uncles, and of course to keep some in culture as a backup. I could potentially start family traditions and give a lemon tree to my family on every Christmas. And here we are. I now have 16 plants growing in tissue culture, and I even have some. I took 3 plants. I keep them intact. I just place them in soil so I can grow them a little bit bigger. Maybe I can get some lemon for my own to make my own lemonade soon. So I may do a video update on this in the future. But if you are interested in learning more about plant tissue culture, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Goodbye. Thanks for watching the video. If you are enjoying these tissue culture videos, make sure to follow us on social media for more informative content. And if you are interested in conducting your own tissue culture experiments, make sure to check us out at plantsafetechnology.com for all the products you need to get started. Use code FP10 for 10% off on your first purchase.